Stylish, black, stainless steel finish, compact size, 0.7 cubic foot capacity, 700 watts and 11 power levels. Mute function, settings, clock, kitchen timer, child safety lock, easy auto cook functions, popcorn, potato, pizza, frozen veggie, beverage, reheat. One-touch express cooking function with 1 to 6 minutes and plus 30 seconds functions, and 2 defrost settings, by weight or by time. Energy-saving eco mode. Minimizing 50% standby power by turning on eco mode. Bright digital display, easy-to-read control panel, interior light and 10-inch glass turntable. 1-year limited warranty. This COMFEE 0.7 cubic foot 700 watt microwave oven features convenient one-touch cooking, 11 power levels, mute button, and removable turntable in a compact footprint to fit in a cabinet or on the counter. The large LED digital display has a clock function and can also display a kitchen timer as well as the cooking time remaining. Includes an energy-saving eco mode where the LED display can be turned off. A convenient mute button turns off the microwave beeps for quiet operation. Its smaller size is ideal for apartment kitchens, vacation homes, offices or dorms. The product voltage range is 110 volts. Top reviews from the United States. Small but with good power. Purchased this countertop microwave for an elderly relative who was being moved to an assisted living facility. Needed to be easy to use, not take up too much space. Had read some reviews about products not working upon arrival, so as soon as I got it, I took it out of the box, tried to heat a cup of water. For only being a 700-watt microwave, I was very impressed. The water got really hot in only a minute. In comparison, my 1100-watt micro-range hood takes over 2.5 minutes to do the same task. I was concerned that the smaller unit might be noisy, but after posting the question on the site, found that every response was that the unit was quiet, which it was. I would definitely recommend this microwave, everything about it was positive. Unfortunately, I had to return the unit because the living facility did not allow microwaves for the health safety of the residents and I didn't need another one.